Green Anaconda. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world and lives in the rivers, swamps, and rainforests of the Amazon basin. It can grow up to 9 meters long and weigh more than 250 kilograms. Its eyes and nostrils are on the top of its head, which helps it stay hidden underwater. While waiting for prey, it eats fish, capybaras, deer, birds, turtles, and caimans. It is not venomous and kills by wrapping its powerful body around the prey until it cannot breathe. The green anaconda is an excellent swimmer and spends most of its life in water. It usually avoids humans and attacks only when threatened. Reticulated Python. The reticulated python is the longest living snake on Earth and can grow longer than 10 meters. It lives in tropical forests, rivers, and wetlands across Southeast Asia. It has beautiful golden and black patterns that help it blend into its surroundings. It hunts by hiding and suddenly grabbing its prey before squeezing it with its strong muscles. It eats birds, monkeys, wild pigs, deer, and other mammals. It is not venomous and swallows its food whole after killing it. It is an excellent climber and swimmer and is known for its incredible strength. Burmese Python. The Burmese python is one of the largest snakes in Asia and lives in forests, grasslands, marshes, and river valleys. It can grow over 5 meters long and weigh around 90 kilograms. It hunts mainly at night and catches birds, rabbits, monkeys, deer, and other animals. It is a non-venomous constrictor that kills by squeezing its prey before swallowing it whole. The Burmese python is a strong swimmer and can stay underwater for a long time. It has also become an invasive species in parts of Florida, where it has affected local wildlife. African rock python. The African rock python is the largest snake in Africa and is famous for its strength and aggressive defense. When threatened, it lives in savannas, forests, rocky hills, and near rivers. It can grow up to 6 meters long and feeds on antelope, monkeys, birds, crocodiles, and other animals. It kills by constriction and swallows its prey whole. It is not venomous and can survive in many different environments. It is one of the most powerful predators among African reptiles. Amethystine scrub python. The amethystine scrub python is the longest native snake in Australia and also lives in Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. It can grow more than 8 meters long and has shiny scales that reflect beautiful rainbow colors in sunlight. It lives in rainforests, woodlands, and rocky areas. It hunts birds, bats, possums, wallabies, and other mammals by constriction. It is not venomous and is an excellent climber that spends much of its time in trees. Indian python. The Indian python is a large non-venomous snake found in forests, grasslands, wetlands, and farmlands across South Asia. It grows up to 6 meters long and has a thick, muscular body. It feeds on rodents, birds, monkeys, deer, and other animals. It catches prey by surprise and squeezes it until it stops breathing before swallowing it whole. The Indian python is a good swimmer and climber and is protected in many areas because habitat loss has reduced its population. King cobra. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world and can grow nearly 6 meters long. It lives in forests, bamboo groves, and mangroves across South and Southeast Asia. Unlike most snakes, it mainly eats other snakes, including venomous species. It uses powerful venom to quickly kill its prey. It is the only snake that builds a nest for its eggs and protects them until they hatch. When threatened, it raises the front part of its body, spreads its hood, and produces a loud hiss to warn enemies. Titanoboa. Titanoboa was the largest snake that ever lived and existed about 60 million years ago. After the dinosaurs disappeared, it grew up to 15 meters long and weighed more than 1,000 kilograms. It lived in hot tropical swamps in what is now Colombia. It hunted giant fish and crocodile-like reptiles, using its enormous muscular body to crush them before swallowing them whole. Titanoboa was not venomous, and scientists believe its huge size was possible because the Earth had a much warmer climate than today.